Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Dodge Journey. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Make sure the oil meets your vehicle's specifications and you have enough for a full refill. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and efficient. Once your vehicle is safely elevated on jack stands, locate the oil drain plug. It's usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old oil to flow completely into the pan. Be cautious, as the oil may be hot. Let it drain fully. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. A filter wrench can help if it's tight. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then replace the drain plug. Now, carefully add the recommended amount of new oil through the filler cap. After refilling, start the engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. And hey, for a cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.